Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome to your weekly cleaning motivation and my messy kitchen. So, of course, all this stuff is here ready to go into the pantry that I just can't sort out yet. I have a bag of potatoes here that I was trying to go through and meal prep and yeah. And we have some brownie mixes. These were $2 at my local Coles. They're clearing out their mega buys, so yeah. And then the rest of the mess, we aren't even going to talk about it. The thing though that is frustrating this week, we just had an issue with our dishwasher. I think there was some food on some of the plates and it got caught in the filter, and so the dishes haven't really washed all that well. So there's no point running them through a second cycle because it just doesn't wash them, and so I am going to take them out and wash them by hand and then run a clean cycle as well. And yeah, the brownie box mixes that are there, they were $2 each, so check your local Coles. I know that some are selling them for $5.60. I'm waiting for them to go down in price again, but no doubt as soon as they do, they'll go again. But there's 2 packets per box, and we just make a tray, and in each tray I have 8 brownies because we like a bigger brownie. It says on the box it makes 50 brownies. I'd like to know what size they think that is, but yeah, anyway. So to start with, we are just going to empty out the dishwasher, wash a lot of the dishes by hand. It's very therapeutic doing this. It's also really freezing today, so I'm glad that I'm in the kitchen because it helps me move around and keep warm and do all the things. So enjoy, and I'll check in soon. So we are back the next evening because I am lazy and I just let all the dishes air dry. But also it's best for my time, and so just putting everything away. You know, I wish that washing and putting away dishes really was this fast in life. I love video, it makes everything look so good. But yeah, I'm so happy to have a clean kitchen again, and hope you've enjoyed this mega clean. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.